Hello, would you like to learn how to save gold and silver and get paid? My name is George Escola, and on this video, I'm going to tell you about a company that has a monthly savings plan where they send you gold and silver coins every month, and they also have a compensation plan where you can actually get paid for saving gold and silver. So stay tuned. Uh, First of all, I want to talk about gold and silver. Gold and silver is real money. It has stood the test of time over the centuries for holding its value, whereas all currencies eventually lose value and go out of existence. The problem with currencies is that governments just print more and more and more, and it becomes worth less and less and less until it finally is withdrawn from circulation. Now, um, gold and silver is real money, and the wealthy all store gold and silver. You'll notice that every country in the world has a reserve of gold and silver, so it's a valuable commodity. Some of these gold and silver coins that you can save on a monthly basis actually go up in value. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But gold and silver is something that will increase your wealth over time. And it is good to have a monthly program because if you just depend on buying a coin now and then or something like that, it's too easy to just not do it. Whereas if you have a monthly savings program, it's going to show up at your door every month, and then you can decide if and when you want to sell those and turn it into currency. But remember, currency goes down in value, and gold and silver generally hold their value, or they can go up in value. Okay, so I want to tell you about this company that has a savings plan. In this in this company, they have two different membership levels. They have a standard plan and they have a premium plan. The standard plan is $199 a year, so it's very affordable. And as a welcome gift in the standard plan, you get a uncirculated gem uh, 1 ounce silver round. These have some collector value. They can go up in price over time, so they're worth saving. It has as a minimum the value of the 1 ounce silver. So in the premium plan, besides the 1 ounce round, you also get an MS70 coin. Now MS70 is just a rating that's given to coins by a third party rating firm. And MS means mint state, it's straight from the mint, hasn't been handled. Um, the 70 means that at 5x magnification, they were not able to detect any blemishes. So these are essentially perfect coins. In the past, MS70 coins of this type have increased in value over time, and some of them a lot of value. They've become worth thousands and thousands of dollars. Now, there's no promises on the coins that you'll receive, but the track record is there, and there's no reason to think that it would be otherwise. At a very minimum, they have the 1 ounce silver that is valuable and will hold its value over time. So that's the basic membership plans on an annual basis. They also have savings programs. The basic is only $105 a month, and for this you get an MS70 coin or an equivalent collector value coin every month. Uh, the next one up is the variety plan, and it's $139 a month. This is a great plan overall because it gives you just a little bit more value. It gives you an MS70 coin every month. Once in a while, there'll be an equivalent coin put in there, but the company has a contract to supply these MS70 coins every month. So usually you will get a MS70 coin. The next higher monthly savings plan, called the specialty plan, is $309 a month. And in this plan, you might get a gold coin, 10th ounce gold, or you'll get a MS-70 coin that it has more value to start with, or you'll get some other equivalent coin or a combination of coins that will add up your value faster every month. So if you have the money and can afford it, the specialty plan is the way to go, because you'll add your gold and silver value that much faster. So how do you get paid? Well, the company has what they call a binary savings plan or compensation plan. And binary just means that there's a right leg and a left leg. So if we were to depict this on the board, it would look something like this. If this is you, and then you get one person on the right and one person on the left, the company would then rank you at associate. So this is the associate level. Okay, once you're ranked at associate, you collect points through your downstream, your downline, and the points flow to everybody in the downline. So if a guy way down here buys something, the points go up to each individual in that chain until it gets to you, and you get that number of points too. Now, when your points add up to 500 on the right and 500 on the left, then you can get paid $500, and the accounting is done at midnight on Saturday. So if you have 500 on the right and 500 on the left or more, then on Saturday at midnight you would earn that $500, and it'll be put in a stream to be paid for you in the next week or two. And if you have enough people in your downline to flow 500 points on the right and 500 points on the left every week, you can get paid $500 a week every week. So you can see that at that level, you're already earning more than you're paying out in your monthly savings plan. So that's how you get paid to save gold and silver. Let me show you just the next level up so that you can see how this works. When more people come in, and this person gets one on the right and one on the left, and this person gets one on the right and one on the left, then these two, you can see, are now associates. So when you have two associates under you, and then you get one more person on the right and one more person on the left, then you rank up to what's known as the copper level. So this would be copper. All right, now at copper level, if you flow up points from your downline and accumulate at least 1,000 on the right and 1,000 on the left, then you can get paid $1,000 when the accounting's done on Saturday at midnight. And if you have enough points so that every week you have at least 1,000 on each side, you can earn $1,000 a week. Now you're starting to get up into some significant money here. There are higher levels that pay more money, and some people are doing quite well. Some people are getting life-changing amounts of money. Again, there's no promises, but this company's been around for a while, and they have a number of people who have advanced up the ranks and are getting a lot more than $1,000 a week. So you can see at that level that you're earning significant money. Now, let me tell you that as a bonus for signing up today, I am in an association of online marketers, and we are marketing this plan. So far, in about 3 weeks' time, we've signed up within our membership over 800 people. And over 600 of those people have ranked at least an associate. So this is starting to build pretty fast. And what you want to do is you want to get in early and then let us build people under you to rank you up. Our idea is that we want everybody to rank up as fast as possible so that we get to associate level very quickly and then to the other higher levels as we add more and more people. So I'm going to put a link below. Click the link, find a membership plan that works for you and a monthly savings plan that fits your budget, and I will see you on the inside. Again, click the link, get your membership plan, and when I see that you're signed up, I will place you in the best position so that we can all rank up as quickly as possible. So click the link, get started now, and I will see you in a future video. Thanks for watching the video. Bye now.